Okay, so this is part two of the video. We've cooked this chicken for less than 15 minutes. So let's see inside how it looks like. This is air frying. I cannot believe it. Only less than 15 minutes and this chicken is almost done. Unbelievable. Wow. So I guess you're supposed to turn it after about 10 minutes. Put it in so it continue for another maybe 5 minutes. So basically this thing cooks chicken very fast, and it's healthy. You don't use oil, you don't use anything, you just cook the chicken. Unreal. So in 15 minutes chicken will be done, cooked, healthy, no oil. Amazing. Anyway, it's first time to use it. I guess hopefully it helps somebody.